Welcome back, everyone. Today we are doing another Midwest Mixer original, and this is called Shades of Violet. We're going to start with 0.25 ounces of simple syrup, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 ounce of Violet Liqueur, half an ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. Ooh, a little more than half an ounce, and 2 ounces of our favorite brand of gin. Once everything is in the shaker tin, we are going to add ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. We're going to use a smaller martini glass, and then we are going to double strain. Gorgeous. And then for our garnish, got a beautiful lemon twist here. Get it to sit where I want it. Stay. Sit.
That's good.
There we go.
Oh, there we go.
All right. And there we have our Shades of Violet.
Describe the color because it's hard to see on camera.
Snow slush.
No.
Yeah.
Once the fizz settles, yeah, shade of violet.
Anywho, I'm going to taste the cocktail. This is an original, so even though it's an original, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on to the next one. 5 is I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see what we're doing today. Overall, it smells very citrusy, but let's see what it tastes like. Overall, it's got a very floral taste to it. I don't taste a ton of the creme de violet, but it's there. The elderflower is definitely at the forefront. I did use a New World style gin, so it's not super juniper forward. I'm going to bet if you use one that has more juniper forwardness to it, you're going to taste that a lot. So mine definitely is getting more of that like floral kind of feel coming from the gin as well. It's definitely not super sweet. It's lighter. I think for me, this one is probably, I think I'm going to go with a 3 out of 5 on this one. It's got a great flavor to it. I don't think it's missing anything. I think it is a very, very nice cocktail. I typically drink something just a touch sweeter, a little bit easier to drink. This one just has a lot of that gin coming forward, so I'm going to go with a 3 out of 5 on this one. Of course, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can make the cocktail right at home. And if you enjoyed the cocktail, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next pour.